Hey guys, this is your host Randipan and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about OnePlus. As you guys know, OnePlus has been in the industry for like 4 to 5 years, and in this 4 to 5 years, OnePlus has built a huge reputation as a premium smartphone brand. Especially in India, OnePlus has built a huge fan base. And even in 2018-19, OnePlus has become the best-selling smartphone brand by defeating the Apple and the Samsung. And now this smartphone brand is getting into the premium mid-range smartphone segment. Yes guys, I am talking about the OnePlus Nord, and I will let you know everything you need to know about OnePlus Nord. But before that, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. In last few weeks, OnePlus has created a huge hype regarding OnePlus Nord, and I can tell you guys, people are gone crazy about OnePlus Nord. People are even thinking to sell their own smartphone. If they have a flagship smartphone or what, they are ready to sell their smartphone to buy OnePlus Nord. People are really gone crazy about OnePlus. So let's talk about the design first. There were many leaks about the design of this phone, but the design got confirmed when MKBHD interviewed Mr. Carl Pei, one of the co-owners of the OnePlus, and he confirmed the design and he showed us the device itself, and now we can see that clearly there is no fingerprint scanner on the back. So this smartphone is definitely going to have a in-display fingerprint scanner, and it retains the ILR slider as well. But the one bad thing is that this smartphone doesn't have the headphone jack. Mr. Carl himself confirmed that this smartphone is not coming with a headphone jack. So that is a bummer for me. And the design is okay, but I can say I have seen this design. This smartphone resembles Realme X50 quite a bit. So design is good, but it's nothing new. So now let's talk about the colors of this phone. It is not confirmed, but there is a rumor that this smartphone is coming with 4 colors: blue, black, teal and white. I don't know about blue and white, but definitely the teal and the grey color, or should I say the black color, is coming, because when MKBHD interviewed Mr. Carl Pei, he showed us 2 phones, and there we have seen these 2 colors. So these 2 colors are definitely coming. So let's talk about the display now. This smartphone is definitely going to have a Super AMOLED panel, but OnePlus teased like dash hertz. So definitely it's not going to have a 60 Hz display. So my guess is this smartphone is going to have a 90 Hz panel. So let's talk about the specifications of this phone. This smartphone is definitely going to have 5G capability, and it's coming with Snapdragon 765G processor, which is a 5G capable processor, and it is coming with 8GB or 12GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of storage. So let's talk about the camera now. This smartphone is going to have a good set of camera, because Mr. Carl Pei himself said that this smartphone is going to have a flagship level camera. So from the leaks we came to know that this smartphone is going to have a 4 camera sensor in the back, and it is going to be a 48 megapixel shooter, which is a main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter, a 5 megapixel macro shooter and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The 48 megapixel shooter will have a Sony lens, and it is going to have definitely optical image stabilization. And if you talk about the front, we can clearly see that this smartphone is going to have 2 cameras in the front, and one will be a 32 megapixel shooter, and other one is going to be 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. So I must say this smartphone has a great camera. So let's talk about the battery now. This smartphone is definitely going to have a above 4000 battery. From the previous few leaks, we know that this smartphone is going to have 4000 mAh, but from the recent leaks, we know that this smartphone is going to have a 4115 mAh battery. Yes, it will be good if this smartphone comes with 4500 or above, but 4115 is not bad. This smartphone is coming with Warp Charge 30T. So it will definitely charge your smartphone super quick, and yes, no, there is no wireless charging at all, but Warp Charge 30T is amazingly fast. So OnePlus has a huge community, and most of the people who buy OnePlus, their main reason of buying OnePlus is the Oxygen OS. They love Oxygen OS. This smartphone is not different. This smartphone also comes with Oxygen OS version 10 with Android 10. You guys know about the track record of OnePlus. They are very good with their updates, so we are going to have Android 11 surely. So the OnePlus Nord is going to be a great smartphone, and for me, it is going to be a game changer. It has a 5G capability, a Snapdragon 765G processor, which by the way is a gaming processor, a 90Hz Super Fluid AMOLED display, a great set of cameras. So what is going to be the price of this device? Some of you said that this smartphone is going to price 25,000 rupees. But if you ask me, I personally think that the base variant of this smartphone, which is 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, is going to cost like 27,000 to 30,000 rupees. If you move to the higher variant, that is going to cost like 35,000, I guess. But in this price point, OnePlus Nord is going to be a great deal. So that is the OnePlus Nord for you guys. It is going to launch on 21st of July. I can't wait for the device. I'm too excited for this device, and if you think I have missed some points, you can go to the comment section and post it, and I will definitely going to reply you. So that's it. See you guys in the next one.